This video is a brief introduction to me, David Halliday. Let me see. I was born at a very early age. Perhaps not. That's too much detail. Instead, let's have a quick peek into how I think and why. My father was a Royal Navy commander, and my mother a housewife. Both were instrumental in shaping the way that I think. They steered me to make decisions early in life, not just small ones, but big ones too. They firmly believed that early decisions led to early mistakes, followed by learning, and thus better decisions later in life. While they would guide me, they would support my choices, and ultimately they would have been happy if I chose to flip burgers rather than be a successful business person. In school, I chose all my own subjects and drove my career from an early age. And yes, I ended up a bit of a geek. I loved computers and programming. I was always thinking. I was always learning. But I also forged great friendships that have endured for my entire life. I loved school and I did well, moving on to the University of Newcastle upon Tyne, the college of my choice. Many think that college is a bastion of academia, where technical skills are honed and career paths are chosen. Those people are correct. However, that is only part of the equation. Yes, I did well academically. I received a bachelor's in computer science with honours and then continued on to earn a master's in computer software and systems design. High school and my early decision making and learning skills prepared me well for academics. But what really clicked at university for me was people. If you respect other people and you treat them right, great things can happen. By interacting and working with a great body of people, I learned about relationships, teamwork, leadership, loyalty, communication, and so much more. College taught me more than I had ever hoped. I thoroughly enjoyed it and was very successful. I then moved into my career of software, IT, and management. At work, I continued to build strong technical expertise and amass technical skills in everything from C++ to cloud infrastructure, software design to agile development, systems administration to BGP networks. The list is endless. But technical skills are only the first part of the picture. I also built on my people skills and added business acumen. I excelled at the people skills, especially leadership, executive management, and all of the cat herding skills needed to make software engineers, IT organizations, and companies in general as productive and successful as possible. By building both skill camps, I was able to excel at all of the challenges that were thrown at me over the years, be they technical, business, managerial, or even legal in nature. Having two fully developed skill camps is a truly powerful combination. A complete list of my skills and achievements that I have made over the years is beyond the scope of this video, or even my resume to some extent. But what really gives me an edge is a constant drive to acquire new skills. If I am missing any skill, I have the tenacity and determination to strive to acquire it. Many judge success by what they have achieved or by what they earn. They are constantly fighting their peers for advancement. They judge their success by how high they climb on the corporate ladder. I disagree with this. To build true success, you need to build more than just yourself. You need to get others involved, including your peers. You need to build teams and ensure that they are engaged, effective, productive, and proactive. You need to teach the teams the skills to be independent and successful by giving them responsibility, but also by holding them accountable. Having a whole team of successful, thinking, Acting, proactive leaders is way more powerful than a single leader and a bunch of followers, no matter how strong that leader thinks they are. In fact, I would consider myself truly successful if you were able to replace me eventually by a monkey, and the team that I was part of would remain successful even in my absence. True success is not a measure of what you achieve, but a measure of what you help others achieve. So, what about now? I am still striving for new challenges and opportunities to enact change. I always view my journey as just beginning, and to continue to be successful, I need to continue to innovate. So, I am still thinking, I am still learning. I have a desire to be part of a dynamic organization. My ability to contribute and help others contribute is what I find most important. To really understand what I bring to the table, I urge you to talk to me. Simply reach out to me if you think I can contribute at any level. I can be contacted by email by sending messages to david@davidhalliday.com or by phone at 408 378 8373. I appreciate the time you spent watching this clip, and I hope you found it a little informative. You will also find a more formal resume on my website, www.davidhalliday.com. Oh, and everything on my website is created by me, from code to graphics, and yes, including this video. Thank you.